Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on putting two clips side by side on iMovie for Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order to split screen two clips, you will need to drag two clips into your project timeline and put one clip on top of the other. Click on one of the clips to select it. Then click the video overlay icon from the top right editing menu. Click where it says cutaway and change it to split screen. This will put the two clips side by side. Click where it says position and you can change the position of the selected clip to left, right, top and bottom. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.